Welcome to our floating home on the water, Tigerlily. I'm Mariah, this is Colby, and these are our two cats, Numeria and Took. We're usually in the Sea of Cortez, but we're off for the season so we can work and do it all again next season. We hope you'll follow along and enjoy our adventures. And like every other weekend we come to Panama City. Where do we end up at? Duplin.
Name and where you're from and something you're grateful for today. Because I'm putting you on the spot.
Okay, Mariah, and I'm thankful to be here.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We hope you get some tonight. We hope you get some tonight. We hope you get.
Stop by CVS.
Okay, we have to stop by CVS, but then home. Good morning. I do not remember. I think we were leaving Panama City yesterday when I last talked to you, but it is the next morning now. We came home and a lot has changed in the house. So let me show you. They've gotten a lot done. So they got the whole kitchen is done. It's fully, well, yeah, not the counters, but it's fully open now. So when we got home last night, I started feeling, I've got to get used to that. All of our dishes need to be washed. We should probably start a load of dishes now. Yeah, so I'm slowly transitioning all of the food and everything over to all of the cabinets and trying to figure out like where things logistically make sense. This whole table is stuff that needs to go, and then find stuff for all of this, and then all of that is the dishes and stuff. Dishes are getting put away and washed, and that's what we're currently dealing with. Well, we decided that since we have to hop over to the next town over to get groceries, we may as well go to the thrift store. Besties, let me tell you something. It is hot outside. Like, it's hot. Okay, here's the deal. We've organized the kitchen. So nice. And I would have loved to show you, but here's a fun thing about my parents. It's always chaotic doing anything with those two. So like setting up a cute camera angle and like showing you me putting up things, not the way it would usually go, like I usually do it. It's always chaotic. My parents are chaos. Yeah, all I'm saying is it wouldn't have been fun for you to watch us put anything away because it wasn't fun to do. I'm so sorry. Do you want to say hello to the people? Hi. Yeah, I'm probably literally not going to do anything else tonight. So, I will see you in the morning. Hello, good morning. I've been awake since 4 o'clock. It's currently 8 o'clock. I've been trying to go back to sleep since 4 o'clock. Clearly that's not in my destiny today. I have a list of things that I need to do today. 8:30. Hello, my son. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Yeah? Okay, so recently I have noticed that my hair has been thinning out like a lot. And so I looked it up, and apparently one of the main reasons that women specifically start to have their hair thin is protein and iron and stuff like that. So I am going to try and start hints. Okay. Why? It's not ripping, but what is happening? I went to the store and bought protein. It's collagen protein, and I already have greens powder. So I'm gonna be greens powder, protein, smoothies. I'm gonna try and do every morning. Please be good. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's really good. Another thing I need to do, I need to edit another video. It is Sunday, so I don't have, usually I'm 2 videos ahead. Like usually I'm pretty good at having videos out before the week that they come out. Not this week. My editing is taking like 3 to 4 times longer than it usually does, which is fine because I'm actually enjoying it more. But it's taking me longer. So I need to like get on it. Okay, it's a little later. I have started it. I roughly fully cut the video, and now I'm spot editing it now. It is dinner time. Ooh, I'm making one of my favorite things that I make ever. And it is a sun-dried tomato pasta. That's all the sun-dried tomatoes I have. So whoops. I also totally forgot to take this out of the freezer before I started cooking. So I will be using 2 different pastas because it's literally all I have. New kitchen, trying to find how best to like talk to you and do things. I'm gonna dig in now because she looks pretty good. Good morning. It is Monday now, and it is very rainy this morning. It's also a bit chilly this morning. I'm wearing sweatpants. I'm a little cold right now. I'm gonna drink her, and then I am going to sit down on the floor right here and build the chair.
I love when he puts his paw over his face.
Every time I'm on my computer, this boy I did that backwards. I put it on the wrong side. Of course I did. Okay, the chair's done. There she is, and there's Took, because if I build something, he will lay. He's gonna go outside, bud. Well, I think that's gonna be it for me today. It feels really nice outside, so I think I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy the new chair that I just built, and probably do some laundry, vacuum a little bit, clean up a little bit, straighten up for the day, or what have you. But I think that's pretty much it. Nothing really that you need to see, so I guess I will catch you in the next video.